Stop jogging. Doctors are now saying that swimming is actually better for your body, your heart, and even your mind, and most people have been doing it wrong all along.
Hey everyone, welcome to SwimPro, your channel for mastering the water with confidence and style. Wave.
If you want to swim smarter, smoother, and stronger, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon, bell, so you never miss any of our pro swimming secrets. Let's dive right in. If you've been jogging regularly, thinking it's the ultimate way to stay fit, you might want to pause and listen carefully. Recent insights from medical experts and health professionals are shifting the spotlight away from pounding the pavement and putting it on something far gentler, more effective, and surprisingly beneficial for your entire body: swimming. Doctors around the world are increasingly recommending swimming over jogging, and the reasons are both compelling and fascinating. First, let's talk about the impact on your joints. Jogging, especially on hard surfaces, can take a significant toll on your knees, hips, and lower back. Each step delivers repeated shocks to your joints, which over time can contribute to chronic pain or long-term damage. Swimming, on the other hand, is a low-impact exercise. The buoyancy of water supports your body weight, allowing you to move freely without the stress and strain that jogging imposes. For seniors, people with arthritis, or anyone recovering from injuries, swimming offers an exercise solution that protects the joints while still providing a full-body workout. Next, consider the cardiovascular benefits. Many people think jogging is the best way to strengthen the heart and lungs, but studies suggest swimming may actually be superior in certain aspects. Swimming engages almost every muscle group, from your legs and core to your arms and shoulders, creating a high-efficiency workout. The constant resistance of water forces your heart and lungs to work harder to supply oxygen to your muscles, often more effectively than running on land. Doctors note that swimming regularly can improve cardiovascular endurance, lower blood pressure, and even boost overall circulation, all without putting your heart under sudden or extreme stress. Another major factor that doctors highlight is calorie burn and metabolism. While jogging does burn calories, swimming has the advantage of working multiple large muscle groups simultaneously. This full-body engagement can lead to higher energy expenditure in a shorter amount of time. Additionally, water's natural resistance builds muscle tone while you move, which in turn helps increase your resting metabolic rate. That means even when you're out of the pool, your body is still burning energy more efficiently. Mental health benefits are another reason why swimming is being favored. The soothing nature of water combined with rhythmic breathing patterns has been shown to reduce stress, lower anxiety levels, and even improve sleep quality. Jogging can also have mental health benefits, but swimming offers an added sense of calm and mindfulness. Many people report feeling rejuvenated and less fatigued after a swimming session compared to a run of similar duration. Doctors suggest that this combination of physical exertion and mental relaxation makes swimming a uniquely holistic exercise. Moreover, swimming is versatile and accessible. Unlike jogging, which is limited by terrain, weather, or joint issues, swimming can be adapted for almost anyone. Whether it's gentle laps for beginners or high-intensity interval training for advanced swimmers, the water allows for scalable workouts. Even simple movements like treading water, performing water aerobics, or swimming short distances can deliver significant health benefits. This adaptability makes it easier for people to maintain a consistent routine over time. Experts also point out that swimming strengthens muscles in ways jogging cannot. Core stability, upper body strength, and even grip and shoulder endurance get an excellent workout in the pool. While jogging mainly works the legs and lower body, swimming creates balanced muscle development, which is crucial for posture, balance, and overall functional fitness. This balance can prevent injuries in daily life and improve overall mobility, especially as people age. Finally, the risk of injury and overtraining is lower with swimming. Running often leads to shin splints, plantar fasciitis, or knee issues, especially if form, footwear, or terrain are suboptimal. In contrast, swimming is inherently safer due to the support provided by water. Doctors emphasize that longevity in exercise matters more than intensity, and swimming offers a sustainable, long-term fitness option that minimizes the likelihood of setbacks or burnout. In conclusion, swimming is emerging as a favorite recommendation among doctors for anyone seeking a safe, effective, and holistic way to stay fit. From protecting joints and improving cardiovascular health to boosting mental well-being and creating balanced muscle development, the benefits of swimming are hard to ignore. So, the next time you lace up your running shoes, consider swapping them for a swim cap and goggles. Your body, mind, and overall health might thank you for it.